So this is the Colmi P80 smartwatch, a very basic smartwatch from the Chinese brand. This got a 1.85 inches of LCD display, 60 Hz of refresh rate, but it feels to me like it's 30, but that's what it states in their website. Metal frame all around. It's got a weight to it, but just about right, and a plastic strap. Now looking at the side of this watch, it's got a rotating crown, if you can see. Yeah, it also changes the face watches, and you also in the menu up and down. Also right at the bottom it's got flashlight. We'll come to that in a second. And on the other side it's got the speaker and the Type-C charging port. At the back side you will also see the health sensor, right? So this is a smartwatch where there are two features. Most of the brand doesn't have it in a one watch. Now first of all, as I said earlier, it's got a flashlight. Let me show you. It's pretty bright for this watch. It's good for using somewhere temporarily where you need to brighten up the place. And on the other side, another feature that I was referring to is the Type-C port. Well, you can charge this watch without having any separate cable for this and directly charge with the same cable of your phone. That is the Type-C port. You can see it over right here. Quite impressive, never seen like this before. So thumbs up to Colmi. Now let's talk about the sensors at the back. It's got a heart rate sensor and oximeter, and to connect this watch you need the Colmi app, and it will sync with via Bluetooth 5.0 version. Available the software to sync to your Android phone and iOS phone as well. Once you pair them, you have direct access to 120 plus sports mode that you can sync to the app. It's also got health monitoring such as the heart rate, stress, blood oxygen, sleep, and also it manages women's health. So all that in this watch. Additional notable features in this watch is Bluetooth calling, music control, calculator, and some games inside this watch. Now the watch is IP67 water resistant, which is good, and the watch lasts up to 5 to 7 days of typical usage. It comes in 3 colors, that is the black, silver, and gold. Now the price of this watch is $20 if you guys are interested into purchasing this simple basic function watch which serves most of the people, and it's got this amazing 2 features also. Link in the description below. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give a thumbs up, and catch you guys in the next one.